News break just coming in. CBI questioning update. Breaking news as of now. Riya and Shouvik are being questioned separately. Shouvik questioning is in continuation of yesterday's questioning. Apart from Shouvik and Riya, Samuel Miranda and Neeraj and Siddharth Pitani are being grilled as we speak. CBI is at the moment tight-lipped about the identity of the others who are being questioned as well. Latest coming in right there. Riya and brother Shouvik being questioned separately and CBI being tight-lipped about who else being questioned. Shouvik, Riya, Samuel, Neeraj, Pitani all being grilled. Vidya, the news is tightened around all the suspects in this particular case. Over to you for all the latest that's coming in.
अंदर से निकला या बाहर से?
Vidya, can you hear me?
Zoom करके रख.
Let's re-establish that connection right there to Vidya. Mumbai Bureau will be joining us in just about a bit. All right, Saurabh Bhaktania is with us. Saurabh, the CBI is tight-lipped about the identity of the others who, outside of who I just mentioned, who are being questioned in this case. But Shouvik and Riya are being questioned separately. If you could just give us a sense of what's going on and when is it that they are all going to be questioned together as well to corroborate the statements?
Well, just right now, Chetty, a team of CBI officers have left from DRDA office, and as we can see, they are the set of different officers who are investigating the whole case. As you mentioned, there are several teams been made, but right now, Chetty, the probe has intensified. Let me tell you, the probe has intensified. It's the 8th day of questioning, and they have the number one accused in this case, that's Riya Chakrabarti. Now, Shouvik Chakrabarti was questioned yesterday. It was marathon questioning which took place for around 14 hours. He reached home at around 3 in the morning. He's back again at the DRDO office. Very importantly, Siddharth Pitani has been taken out by the CBI officials to the head office of the CBI in Mumbai, that's in BKC. So, right now, all are being questioned separately. It's the 8th day. They have a long questionnaire. They have to maintain all the sequence of events from June 13 to June 14. And also, what all medications was been provided to Sushant Singh Rajput, what was the bank account details, all is been probed by the CBI officials. The big nexus of the drug mafia will too be investigated by the CBI. However, having said that, the NCB officials are in Mumbai right now. They will be meeting the ED officials. They will also be in coordination with the CBI. And right now, all the evidence are being taken out. But as I mentioned, it's the 8th day and today the probe has intensified. Lot more things has to be come out. But right now, CBI is tight-lipped. We also don't know why Siddharth Pitani has been taken to the BKC CBI head office. So in some time, when we speak to our sources, we'll find out what's actually going on. Another team has left from the DRDO officer. There were senior officers of the CBI presented. We will track them. We'll try and get to understand where are they heading. Because remember, the questioning of the doctors at the Cooper Hospital who conducted the post-mortem of Sushant Singh's Rajput body will be questioned again. Because as I mentioned, AIIMS doctor needs more clarification. They had to submit the report of the medical and the FSL report today, but they have asked for some more time. The team from senior doctors of AIIMS will be coming to Mumbai. They will be here for 2-3 days. They will investigate each and every forensic evidence. And
all right, Saurabh, we'll keep coming back to you for more on that. Thanks for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.